police now! Pay 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 police!
The police officers have been said, the Nigerian police officers have been said to be one of the best in Africa. But why is it that their life is not the best life in Africa? Yes, they are suffering, and the only thing they could do is just to be using the young people as a means of survival. It's just to be collecting 1 naira, 10 naira. They will retire and they will have nothing to show for it.
Follow us because we are coming from the force headquarters where the decision makers are based. The people at the National Assembly will not listen to you because they have no reason to listen to you. But the guys at the force headquarters are the ones who enslaved you. Yes. All of you know how you looked when you were in police uniform. Look at how you look now today. The only way to die young in Nigeria is to retire from the Nigerian police force. Most of you die 6 months after retirement. And those ones who are not dead are dead working people. They are working dead. So we decided today that the Nigerian people will join hands with you to fight this battle once and for all. And we expect also serving police officers to agree in this battle. But we know the manipulation that they are going through. Some of them are confined to their barracks because of today. But what you should tell them is that one day they too will retire. And when you retire, take a look at the men here who are retired. Is this how you want to live your retirement life? A lot of you can't feed your family. You can't send your children to school. You cannot afford to buy medicine, even Panadol. You cannot afford to even be retired. After retirement, you still keep on working.
The CP come here and said he will arrest you. We say here we tell you
there's no we are not allowed to talk now. I'm not afraid of arrest. I'm not afraid of even death. Because the CP who came here who said he will arrest me will so retire. Yes. And the same fate that befell all the CPs will befall him too. Yes. We even have IGs today who are retired who cannot afford to live a better life anymore. All the power they have has left them as soon as they retire. Yes. Whether you retire wealthy or poor, as long as Nigeria is poor, you are poor.
Exactly.
Whether you get your gratuity before retirement or after retirement, that gratuity means nothing.
Nothing.
When we were growing up, everybody that is working look forward to the day of retirement. Most people buy their first land from their gratuity. Some of them buy cars from their gratuity. Yes. They send their children abroad from their gratuity.
Mgbeke retired. I retired 217.
500,000 naira per month. The reason is that you cannot ask the police to be guarding a bank and the bank manager is better paid than the police that is protecting the money. The person doing the real work is the policeman that ensures that the bank is not robbed, not the bank manager who is writing how much is in the vault. So it is even small because 500,000 naira is about $300. That's nothing in a month. Whereas the senators who are in these places who barely come to work, an average senator takes home 30 million naira per month. And the policemen who are waiting at their gates cannot even buy paracetamol when they are done. And they are even the ones who help them pick up money, sometimes from their locations where they are paid bribery or where they get their cuts from whenever they engage in their corrupt activities. So we are saying enough is enough. It's as simple as that. We are not here to talk to their statement. We are here to talk about the well-being of these police officers, both serving, retired, dead, and their family members who deserve a better condition of service or after service. How could somebody serve this country for 35 years, 35 solid years, and they go home with 2 million naira? Some of them went home with 900,000 naira. Are you going to buy the recharge card with 900,000 naira after 35 years? So even if we don't fight for them, it will be unconscionable on our part to ignore them. Because the argument always is that, why are you fighting for police? Police is bad. Police is bad because Nigeria is also bad. Yes. The leaders of Nigeria are very bad leaders, and you cannot find a good police from a bad country. Yes. That is the truth. So we are going to continue our march towards the police headquarters. That's where we are coming from. We're urging the police retirees not to be afraid. The policemen that we have seen on our way here, they are even ready to join if they have a chance. So but we know that you are old and retired, so we will not work too fast. So, but we are
lieutenant of police, and I was given 2 million after serving 35 years. One of you have not trained my child my child have not graduated from university. One of you have not built a house. Then what will you eat when they give you 40,000 naira every month? 40,000 that cannot take you, if cannot even take you a week. They are now my mate when they retire, they will give them 25 million. And they will pay them. Since we retired, even one naira have not been given for us since 2019. We continue to live in abject poverty. We have become a beggars.
Your name?
So my name is Prof.Mgbeke.
Thank you. Nigerian Police Force 1982. And I went for Kadide. I am a member of Course 23, 2009. You see, what we are telling the federal government, they should do justice to themselves if they really need peace. But if they don't want peace, we will give them what they don't want. We are in this democratic government. it is not an autocratic government. They should listen to the masses. How dare on earth can't somebody's hold your money, make an investment, and cannot give you the interest? Who is deceiving you in this country? Why do the IG and co exempt themselves from the PENCO? Why? Because they know it's a bad thing. Why do they want to instigate police to become corrupt? Now it is very clear that the serving police officers now must have to be corrupt for them to prepare themselves for retirement. As soon as you retire, you have been put into the death sentence. You can't leave. You can't leave. Therefore, we are warning the federal government and advising the lawmakers to exist as from the PENCO. Otherwise, in a very near future, they will regret it. Thank you.
I have for it. I was only paid from 2004 to 2017, and I was given 2 million naira. I become a nuisance to my family. I am a nuisance to my neighbors, and I'm a nuisance to my immediate family. Then where do you want me to go? I can't eat. I barely eat once a day. Sometimes I take common Lipton to survive that day. Then what do you want? You want to kill us all so that you eat the remaining money? If a Sowore policeman dies, his family will stay for more than 4 years. He has not given 10 kobo. And if the family came, they will now have fun with them before they give them money. Even they will give them a quarter of that money, and they will ask them to go and bring 300,000 or 400,000 before giving them the remaining one. If they don't bring, nothing for them.
So what do you want?
I'm a widow. I need my benefit, my remaining benefit with PENCOM. Let them pay me my benefit. My remaining money, let them pay me so that I will continue training my children. I'm a widow. Even my daughter, my last daughter, she's at State University. Yesterday I branched to see her. She was crying for her rent, 250,000 I'm paying. So this 2,000, how we start? I will gather how many years to pay her rent, talk of school fees, talk of her feeding. I'm not physically well because of my financial. So I came here, let RG hear my voice and let PENCO release my money, my remaining gratuity to me, and let them adjust my pension.
Your name?
My name is Litine Akwashiki.
You retired as
2018. This March.
As what?
Women's fighter.